guess where's this vegetable from?
Possibly import from Malaysia.
Australia?
I think this one can be produced over here.
Singapore. Have you all heard about Singapore 30 by 30 plan?
Yes.
Not that I know of.
By 2030, we produce 30% of our food locally.
I'm Sherilyn and I'm your superfood experts from Sustenir.
Sustenir uses a sustainable farming technology called vertical farming. You can find plenty of our pesticide-free superfoods at fair price.
When you buy from local farmers like us, you are doing your part to help us achieve that goal. This is Super Kale and it's a crowd favorite here at Fair Price. It's a generous bag of crunchy chopped kale. It can be consumed either cooked or raw. If you're strapped for time, you can try our Mighty Mix or our Glorious Greens salad mixes. Time for us to make a quick salad. Start the timer.
Our greens are free from pesticides and pollution. They contain maximum nutrition, they have a longer shelf life compared to imported produce, and this is on top of delicious and consistent taste.
Tastes good, right? Yeah, it's very crunchy.
Now, how do you get a bite of all this goodness? Look out for Made in Singapore on all our products.
See you very soon at Fair Price. Don't forget to support local.